Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to share with you my February Minted box. I know it's late in the month, but I wanted to share it with you. I've had it for a couple weeks now and just haven't had a chance to really dive into it and use anything yet. So I decided to go ahead and just record it so you could see what it does look like. This is by far my favorite beauty box. It's the only subscription box that I have right now. I used to have a lot more and then now I'm just down to one. It costs a little bit more than the rest, but I have to say all the brands that they send are, they're luxury brands, and they're either brands I have not heard of, or they might be brands that I've heard of and I would like to try, and I've had some great products every month. I've been very happy with it. So the month for February, of course, Valentine's Day is involved, and it normally is just a white box, which is beautiful by itself. But this month they went ahead and included this beautiful sleeve. Isn't this pretty? This is the back. And I just love this. And I'll show you what the regular box looks like. So this is the box that I normally receive. And it doesn't just have a lid that you pull off. It actually has a lid that, so first of all, you have this little ribbon that you pull, and it has a little bit of a magnetic closure, and you open it up and try not to have everything fall out. This is what it looks like. So every month it comes just like this in a white box. It has a pretty ribbon, and it has a little pamphlet that tells you about this month's theme and the products that are included and how to use them. This month the theme is A Love Letter to You. And I was really excited when I saw my email and it showed everything that was going to be in this month's box, because one of the items I have been wanting for a while, and I don't know why I haven't just splurged to buy this, because I spend enough on skincare that, if I didn't buy like maybe 2 or 3 cleansers, I could, justify getting this. And it is the Slip Silk Pillowcase. And let's open this together. You can see I haven't opened it and even washed it yet. There we go. So it has this nice, very nice box. It's this beautiful gold color, and it has slip embroidered on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave this out because I wanna make sure that I wash it and I can start using it. So one brand that has been in other boxes, and I really like this brand, is called Cocolux Australia. And it's this is the Cruise Collection candle. It's earth-friendly coconut wax candle, and the scents in this are bergamot, lily, and moss. It's infused in coconut. And that smells good. I love a floral scent, and this has a nice lid, so it's reusable. I'll put that back on later. Okay, so one of the other items that I was really excited about, and I haven't tried a lot from this brand, but I'm pretty excited about it, and I will just tell you, I am gonna mess up this name, I just know it. You see that? There we go. So the Omorovicza, the Perfecting Lip Balm, and the packaging even on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty. I love it. So it's not a huge jar, but that's okay because I love lip balm and I'm always buying them, so that's okay. So it's a light scent. It's not bad at all. I'm looking forward to trying this because I'm sure it will be lovely. The next product Oh goodness, yeah, I'm really gonna mess this this one up. I'm not sure that I'm even gonna try to say it, but hopefully you can read it. Gosh, I don't know. Roques Oneil Therapie, and Equilibrium Bath and Shower Essence. So I am looking forward to this. This soothing bath. So I think you can use this. I think you can use this in the bath, or you can apply this to your body before you get in the shower. And I'm speaking and I'm not even looking in the booklet, and that's exactly what I need to do. Yes, in the bath. You can also use it in the shower. After you've washed, simply massage a capful into wet skin. Okay, so that sounds nice. I'm gonna open it up and oh, this is my first time smelling it. Oh yeah, I'll be using this. This reminds me of a spa. It reminds me of walking into a spa waiting area and having that first waft of scents come through, and you just are relaxed, and you just, you're ready to relax and just have I say a good time, but that's what I do. I have a good time when I go in and I get a massage or a facial at a really nice spa that has the relaxing, beautiful scents. And last but not least, Valentine's Day, they had to include chocolate, right? So, can you see that okay? So, can you believe I haven't eaten it yet? It's chocolate and I haven't eaten it yet. It's a food supplement? Let me look at my book before I speak, because, okay. It's 72.6% dark chocolate, and it's the world's first nutracosmetic with a strong scientifically proven impact on the metabolism of aging skin. Okay, I don't know that, but I will probably eat, it says eat one a day. So I'll eat one a day and I'll have a glass of milk with it. So that is my box. I know you're probably wondering, how much does this cost? It runs about, I get a 3-month subscription, and for all 3 months, it's about just over $300. So it's about $100 a month. So I got all of these products for basically, let's call it $110. And I'm not sure what they said the value is of everything. It doesn't say in this booklet, but that's okay, because I know that every month, they have someone fabulous curating these boxes, and I think they do a fabulous job. Every time I think that I need to stop getting the subscription, they come out with another fabulous box. I'm like, gosh, how the heck do they do it? Now, I'm not gonna lie. Every month, I don't use everything they give me, so I may pass it on to someone else. But I've been really impressed for the most part with these boxes. So if you want to check out either the February box, it's probably still available, and I'll put the link below. Or if you're interested in checking out the March box, I think like probably March 1st or 2nd is when they'll have it up on their website. And please do check them out. The link that I'm gonna put below is not sponsored, is just for your convenience. I'm not going to receive anything if you click on that link. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up down below. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you will. And if you do subscribe, or you have subscribed, there's a little bell next to the word subscribe. And that means that if you click that bell, it's gonna tell you when I do put out a new video. So thank you very much for joining me. Please, I'd love any feedback that you have on any of these products or on this subscription box. Please comment below and I'll be happy to respond.